Yeah, we're gonna be reacting to these alarms about no audio. I'm just gonna, I don't know, no audio because I have headphones. And I'm doing this at 5 in the morning. Yeah, I'm not sleepy. Lol. Okay, let's just get started. Oh, the flame! Ah! Yeah, I knew it. New Jersey. It's near Philly. Oh, that's not. How did you do that? That's not what it says. It sounds like it, but it doesn't. Finland. Kazakhstan. Nice. I don't know what this one is. Oh wait, God, ego. I can't. Singapore be like, what the? Oh, I like this type of style of Brazil. Look at that. Nice. I don't know what the North Mace done yet. Or it could be pronounced something different. Bhutan? I can't hear this one. If someone said it. New Zealand. What some my alarms be like? This one's Canada. That's not even in Canada. I've never heard of this country before, by the way. This one's too long, so I might skip it. Bare feet. With the Brazil background. The Laos. I don't know what it smells. Ah! Yeah, it just appears that. Not today. Why does find this one so hilarious? North Korea? That's the jaw of the feet. Look at the feet. They're so big, bruh. That's so idiotic. I'm kidding. I mean, it looks gorgeous. Yeah, that was smooth. JG Reborn. Freedy! Yes, that's it, Freedy. It's the Puerto Rico. Let's go back and watch that same part. Somalia. Freedy's here! You can see that face right there. I'm never gonna die. Sorry, I'm not saying that I like Puerto Rico. I'm just saying that never mind. Let me just go back in that one part and see what happened the first part. Okay, we got with the balloon and the. Okay, nice drawing. Someone did not like the balloon, so they popped it. I'm like, nah! So it's a Freedy is here. GG Reborn again. Another JG Reborn video. Among Us. Another JG Reborn video. I'm yawning. I'm sorry. Is that blood? I forgot to put the blood warning in here. This one does not sound. Actually, this one actually sounds good. I'll give one sound hazard. Okay, the low quality. No. What country is this? Oh wait. If this was the thumbnail, I wouldn't be interested. Look at this one, so smooth. This one's good. I don't know how to do it. The ending. The way he just falls like dead on the ground, and he starts flying again after he gets up. And let's go to come on, mother. It's this guy, and then he falls to the ground with a little dead pose, and he starts flying around again. He hits the top, and then he gets to the ground and picks up his hat, and then starts flying again. I like that one. It goes. Okay, we got the. Yeah, I already did this. That's it. XD, XD,